Good afternoon and welcome back to Lunch of the Market. What a week so far. Earnings have been great and the names we own, JP Morgan, Intel, and Yum Brands. We'll be on the Google earnings call this afternoon at 4:30. We also have a PPG at 2 p.m. today and People's United Bank and Trust tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. Earnings season is a busy time around here for sure. Hope your portfolio is doing well. We've started selling some stock and replacing it with in-the-money calls that are dated after this summer. We're buying EMC Corporation today, symbol EMC. This company is dominant in storage and data center / cloud computing. If you are on the Intel call, you know that both of these areas are growth areas, and cloud computing is the cat's meow. Virtualization is another huge buzzword in technology as companies move into systems and ways of doing things that increase productivity and bring down costs. These are all magic words for companies with massive stashes of cash. It has been proven that companies will spend cash on technology before they spend it on payroll because you get more bang for your buck. We think EMC is a way to get into this corporate spending cycle, and we think it'll benefit EMC. Another interesting note, EMC has a partnership with Cisco, and it's a majority interest in the virtualization powerhouse VMWare. You know we sold out of VMware because its PE got into nosebleed territory. So, this is a great way to backdoor play VMware as EMC owns 29,242,500 shares of VMware. We see EMC with 41% of the float of VMW. That's a pretty darn big stake, and it's hard to think that ownership stake in VMW is factored into the EPS estimates. EMC trades with a forward PE of 14.85 and a PEG of 1.13. So how do you play it? Well, we're playing it two ways. We're long the stock, and as a way to juice returns, we're also long October 2010 16 strike call options. They cost us about $3.75 or just under 20% of the cost of owning the stock. They have a delta of 0.83 versus a delta of 0.76 for the 17 strike. They're already in the money, and I think our break even is $19.70. That's only about 40 cents above the current stock price, so we break even if the stock moves only 2% in the upside from here in 6 months. We intentionally picked an expiration after the summer just in case we get a sell in May and go away. Plus, 6 months is a long time in the world of options, so it's almost like owning the stock the way we played it, except we get to own a lot more for our dollars. Take a look at our in-the-money call option strategy in EMC as a way to own them and play VMware at the same time. Enjoy your trading. The weekend is nearly here and we'll be glad to take a day or two off. Be sure to check out the video on the Lynn Waldock commercial in our YouTube channel. You can find a link to it on the MOF News Network on www.magnumopusfinancial.com. So be sure to check out all the over 100 videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow.